All right, so fractions. You ready for this? This is going to be how much you have. I'm going to change my color here. That way it stands out. How much I have versus how much your container will hold. Does that make a little bit more sense? So if I have, let's say eggs, because most of y'all have seen a carton of eggs, correct? So let's say I have 10 eggs. Will they all fit in the carton if my carton holds 12? If I have 15 eggs, will I need just one container if they only hold 12? How many containers will I need? 2. Will I need to fill up the whole thing? Will I fill up both containers if I only have 15? No. That's how fractions work. That's it. Let's keep it that simple. So, when you are adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators, I had to get the exact words there. That means your bottoms are the same. T-O-R-S. I don't know about you, but I wrote too big. What you're going to do is you're just going to add the tops or add the numerators. And we're going to keep the denominators. Because our container amount isn't what's going to change. Are y'all cool with that? Yes, ma'am. You have day 4, and you need day 3, don't you? My bad. All right, is there anybody who's like, I'm not 100% sure? Because now's your time to talk to me. Because I see some faces that I'm like, I don't know if they totally get this. Day 3 is on top. Sorry. You're like, totally confused. So, let's look at this. What does our container hold here?
5.
5. Will that amount change? No. That's why you keep your 5s the same. And then what's 2 plus 1? 3. Now,
That's it?
that's it. See, that's what I'm saying. If you understand what fractions really are, this stuff is easier. So, does my container change?
No.
Nope. 2 minus 1?
1.
Now, me personally, I don't like them up and down. So I will rewrite this because I like to keep my containers next to each other. That's me. If the up and down thing makes sense to you, use it. But when it comes to adding fractions, for my brain, this makes more sense. All right, so now I have 12 over 9. Do I have more than what my container will hold?
Yes.
How much more? Can I take out a full container? Can I take out 9 from 12?
Yes.
Yeah, so watch this. Would you agree 9 over 9 equals 1? 9 divided by 9, if I was to put 9 of y'all in 9 different rooms, there'd be 1 per room. Layla, did I lose you? Okay. How much is left over? 12 minus 9 is? Check it out. There's your new fraction. You could also do the dividing and then take your what's left as your new numerator. For me, this is what makes sense to my brain. So 1 full container. Eliza, how we doing?
I'm confused.
I could tell. I lost you when I took out the 9 out of 9, didn't I?
Yes.
Okay. Would it help you if I'm showing you that all I'm doing is basically simplifying this? Because I can't have an improper fraction, so in reality all I did was divide out the 9 out of 9.
Oh, I see it now.
You see it? Okay. Just making sure. And we already know 7 minus 5 is 2/9. Yes, I kind of fast forwarded. Are we okay there so far? Other than the fact that I kind of messed you all up a little bit. All right, so if they are unlike denominators, see if I can write smaller this time. Probably not. A little bit. What we're gonna do is create equivalent fractions. Translation. We're gonna make our denominators the same. And how we're gonna do this is we're gonna multiply. You ready? So, least common denominator. This is how I do mine. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4, 8, 12. 12 is my common one. Y'all cool with that? All I did was create a table and I just counted to see which ones were the same. This way you don't have to simplify as much. Y'all good here? This is all review from 5th grade. How do I get from 4 to 12? How many was there?
3.
Yeah. If you're not sure, put off to the side. So I'll zoom in. See off to the side what I did there? This is what you multiplied this by. And then whatever you do to one side, you do the other. So times 3, 9, times 4, 4. What's 9 plus 4?
13.
13. So I have 13 twelfths. How many 12ths can I take out of 13? If I'm subtracting? 1. Guess what? We're also dividing. How much is left? What do you think dividing is? It's just subtraction. It's literally, that's all it is. It's just subtraction. That's all dividing is. It's just repeated subtraction. All right, so we took out 1. How much is left if we took out 1 12? From 13. 13 minus 12 is 1. I have no idea if y'all are good or not. Like, if y'all are good, I can fast forward through a lot of this. If we're not good, I need to slow down. Which is it? You guys got to talk to me, especially first thing in the morning. You're good? All right, so I've already done over here my fractions. What's 9 minus 4?
5.
Guess what? I'm done. These ones. I have 2 and 3. What's my common denominator? 6. Remember, if you're not sure, make your nice little table. Times 2, times 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Are we good? Okay. What's 3 minus 2? It'd be good if I'd read it. Well, we got 1. If I've already done it over here, I don't have to show the work again, especially if the fractions are the same. Okay. How about this? I want you to look at these 4. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. By holding up fingers, which one do you want to see done? 1, 2, 3, or 4? 3, 2, 2. All right, anybody else not care? Everybody else not care? Okay, I saw number 2. So, first thing we're going to do, and if you'd like to do some of these and then come check with me later to see, okay, am I getting this right? Please feel free. I'm just trying to make your time worthwhile. So, do I have a common denominator with 10 and 3 that y'all immediately know? 30. Because 10, 20, 30, 3 can't go into 20 or 30. So, I'm going to go ahead and write in my 30. Times 3 times 10. So I have 10, because I'm going to multiply that by 10, by 3, 21. What's 21 minus 10? Because remember, my denominator is not going to change. Can I count by 30s to get to 11? Can I count by 11s to get to 30? Yes. 33. So I'm done. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do both of these with you. Y'all cool with that?
Yes.
What am I doing in the first one? I'm adding. Because it says total, that's add. Remember, find your question mark, especially with word problems. So I know I'm adding all of these. Do all of these have the exact same denominator?
No.
Nope. So remember my little table thing?
Yes.
Guess what? I can do this with more than just one number. And all I did there was just figure out my common denominator in all of them. So what's my common denominator? 12. So I'm going to change 1/2 to 12. I multiply by 6, so times 6. I'm going to do 3/4 to 12 times 3. And I'm going to change 1/3 to 12. And all I'm doing to get those numbers is literally I've looked straight across on my table. Now, which ones do I want to add first? 6/12 or 9/12 and 4/12. Which ones do y'all want to add? Just pick 2 numbers, y'all. It's not hard. Okay. So I heard 6/12 plus 4/12. So that's 10/12. Now I got to add in the rest of my stuff. Plus 9/12. So now I've got 19/12. You could go ahead and subtract out or divide out 19 divided by 12. It still works. All I'm doing is just saying, hey, I can take out a full 12 out of 12, which is 1 whole, which leaves me with 7/12. So my answer here is 1 7/12. How we doing? If you're not sure, 19 divided by 12, 1 minus 12, 7. There's my numerator. There's my denominator. You can do it whichever way it makes sense to you. If you want to subtract out, go for it. I have no problems with that, especially if you're good at subtracting. If you want to divide out, go for it. I don't have a problem with that either. Just trying to show you another way. How much more flour than brown sugar? So, flour. Okay, so we got a third. Hold on. A third is our cups of flour. And a third, hold on, and 3/4 is our cups of flour. So all you're doing is doing 9 minus 4. And boom, you're done. All right, any questions? Any questions at all? Because y'all are about to do the lesson or the assignment in Lovely Loman. That's what I'm doing right now because I didn't realize I just now did not do that. Once you are done, please make sure you are checking to make sure you've done the other days for the exam spark, the Lomans. Please use your notes. Why am I saying this? Because some of y'all are missing stuff that's in your notes. And if you're stuck, let me know. All right.